Hi everyone, and if you want to know how to turn on notifications on X, you've come to the right place. So to do it, it's really easy, and you have two main ways to solve this problem. So for example, you go to your X account, and here you can go to your settings. So just go to settings, and here we need to find notifications. Click on it, click on preferences, and choose, for example, push notifications, and just turn on all notifications which you need. And also in SMS notifications and email notifications, it's the same way to turn on notifications. But if it's all turned on but you still don't get notifications from X, you can solve it by the next way. Go to your settings, and here you need to choose apps. Go to apps, find X, formerly Twitter, and go to permissions. And once you go here, find notifications and give X a permission to notificate you. Once you've done that, now X notifications is turned on, and you will receive your notifications from X. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching, leave a like and subscribe.